Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the wallpaper. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, your device will automatically open the themes. So you will have to agree to enter new wallpapers, new themes, which you can download and apply to your device, which are provided by the Xiaomi. Of course, you can tap on agree, and in order to use it, you will have to have the internet connection. If you will decide that you don't want it, you can just go back, and here you will be transferred to the regular, let's say, albums, in which you can choose the wallpaper from. So you've got the local photos, recently used, the pre-installed ones, which will be also available in the themes. You've got live wallpapers and super wallpapers. So of course you can tap here and pick something from those options. But as I said, it is also available in the themes, so I will activate it. Let me enter in this option again and tap on agree. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the themes, to the section with the wallpapers right here. So you can find some new, really pretty options to set and to use. As you can see, they're really high quality images which you can apply. They are really pretty. And as I said, you can find the defaultly installed wallpapers in the profile. So let's tap on it and tap on the wallpapers here, and as you can see here, you've got the system wallpapers, you've got the live wallpapers, the super wallpapers, and so on. So actually everything which was in the previous section. So let me that was a misclick actually. Let me pick something nice, something bright. For example, maybe this one is kind of cute. So let's tap on it. As you can see, you've got like 20 different options in this set. So you can again find something really pretty. I don't really know which option I want to. Okay, maybe this one. Just tap on it. And tap on particular option which you would like to apply. As you can see, we have to tap on it to see the preview, and here we've got our icons, so we can check how it will look like after applying. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. As you can see here, we've got also this option wallpaper scroll. So you can make the wallpaper scrollable or not. It's up to you, of course. And if you're ready, as I said, just tap on apply. Here you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. I don't want to turn on this wallpaper carousel, so I don't agree to that. Of course, you can do it. So the wallpapers will be simply changed. So now let me get back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.